Oh no. This. That's fine then. Oh. Excuse me.
I got this.
Who is that?
Make
I'll make one after this.
Let's keep going up there.
Do we not have enough?
Let me leave. Wait, make the saddle. Make the saddle. Oh, no, hide it.
I'm never.
When I went to go get the.
Okay, I'm back. Oh. Yeah, it is. Oh, excuse me.
I'm molding down.
Excuse me. Oh, excuse me.
Oh.
Excuse me. Does that count? Okay, you guys have been on this game too much.
Bless you.
Thanks.
Wait, that looks so cute. Wait, it looks so happy.
No, he got his rose stem and then did.
That
Excuse me, you a little baby. Excuse me. Anyways.
Hey?
Them? Oh, yeah, because the zombies haven't touched it yet.
Oh yeah, like two of the same card?
Yeah, she's got 5 cards. 5 cards.
Okay, now I know that
This is just default risk, but with fog.
Let's go to that.
You know?
Yeah. That's do I do this, maybe?
No.
So you know how?
I was just gonna stack it right here, you know?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Thank you.
I figured that one out.
Yeah, I think it's just...
But if not today, we could all.
Okay, so there's a tent here. Letting me in
What's over here?
Excuse me. Wait. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yo, even Dollarama? Oh. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Also, why is it make me this?
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Dude, did you go to work or no? Oh wait, we need one more. Oh my god, this is me. What was it? NT.
Thank you.
Let's rate everybody's cross. Excuse me. My CS is so bad. Excuse me. excuse me, wait. Excuse me.
Hey, yo. Hey, there's a
Mainly
belt right
because
here.
I can say dying. I love giant.
Did they update that too? Excuse me. It's like, excuse me. Excuse me. There's another road.
One enemy. Oh wait, that's your.
What time is that? Who's number 4? That's.
Wait, I think I froze.
Just don't freeze. It randomly got a gun and I.
Excuse me.
You're literally high root. Oh my god.
Let's go. We'll see. Hey, Mindy. Honey, I'll thank you for the bits. Excuse me. Oh, wait. Oh my god.
To your right.
Nice. Excuse me.
Alright, let's not die this.
Excuse me. Can I change my staff?